I am 62 now and have no maintenance medicines, healthy. But I took the stem cell therapy, the oral stem cell therapy, because I need to live longer for my children. That's the reason why. So at our age, our cells are old and deteriorating. There might be an upcoming disease that I don't know, which I prevented to come. So that's what I did. My whole family is a product of this future, the oral stem cells.
Good day. I'm Dino Santos, your host for The Leader's Edge, and today marks Season 19, Episode 9, with our unique guest, Doris G. Rodriguez, or Doris to her friends, who will talk to us about stem cell therapy. And boy, that's quite a topic. So, to tell us more, let's invite Doris to introduce herself. Doris, please tell us more about who you are.
Thank you, Dino, for giving this opportunity. I'm really grateful for this wonderful moment with you to be able to share hope and solutions to everyone worldwide. Okay. I'm Doris Rodriguez. I'm an artist, a ballerina, a pianist, everything in arts, music, and dance runs in the blood of the Rodriguezes. My brothers and sisters into violin, so everything. Now I am also an animator since I graduated with Dino in the animation industry in
Yes.
Burbank, and almost all the animated series were done here in the Philippines, and we are proud of our Pinoy artists. And I have my last studio, the Rubicon Group Holdings. We did the Pink Panther and Pulse, and under MGM Pictures, which was awarded in Emmy in America. So those were the great news about Filipinos who are really very creative. Now, as an artist, I stopped my creative works. I am not so much involved anymore because since we were little, we were really active in outreach activities as our advocacy, my family. I have learned about this wonderful news information about stem cells, which I added in my advocacy now for almost going to 8 years already, Dino. My advocacy
Wow.
in sharing hope and solutions about the stem cells. And somehow I stopped the animation thing and doing my sculptures and paintings because of sharing this advocacy. But we, I joined another group because reviving the folklore of the Philippines. That's why I said, yes, okay, I will
Okay.
join you and help you in reviving our folklores. Okay, going back to the stem cells, why am I here for almost 8 years already? I am a single mother. I have three children, and my special girl, who is 28, turning 28 years old this year, a Down syndrome girl. She is the very first who experienced the wonders of the oral stem cell therapy and have a lot of developments. You see, Dino, um, most of the parents will try it first before they're going to have their children take it, right?
Of course.
But because I was able to uh, research about the product, the company, where it was manufactured, I interviewed so many uh, testimonials, so many witnessed and experienced the amazing we call it the miracle pill. So I was really confident on the product because it is already 17 years
Mm.
out there and proven with doctors advocating it.
Mm.
That's why I'm confident. I had my daughter take it,
Mm.
and then I took it also because good thing, thank God, I am 62 now and have no maintenance medicines,
Mm.
healthy. But I took the stem cell therapy, the oral stem cell therapy, because I need to live longer for my children.
Mm.
That's the reason why. So at our age, our cells are old and deteriorating. There might be an upcoming disease that I don't know,
Mm.
which I prevented
Mm.
to come. So that's what I did. My whole family is a product of this future, the oral stem cells. About stem cells, this is discovered during the times of like Hercules, um, Cleopatra. So those were the days. Cleopatra uh, takes the newborn mice and dip it in her wine and then take it. That is the form of her stem cells to make her youthful skin. Cleopatra, they say, is not beautiful, but what attracted men is her youthful skin,
Mm.
very young. That's what makes Cleopatra very attractive to men.
Mm.
Now, like Hercules, Achilles, these are warriors. What they love hunting like the lion. So this they will get the stem cells from the bone marrow. It should be live,
Mm.
live. It's not the bulalo that we eat that we say that this is very healthy. No, because we cooked it already.
Yes.
The once they kill the lion, they will get it from the bone marrow at once because in 2 hours the cells will die.
Mm.
It's not we shall not benefit anymore from the what we say stem cells. two
Okay.
hours only. Same thing with the new technology now. The oral stem cells is
Mm.
coming from the mammals and no killing done. The laboratory will harvest the cells once the mother doe delivers her baby in 2 hours, very fast,
Mm.
because the cells will die.
Mm.
So now it we call it the discovery of stem cells. This was stem cells was what we call the secret of the rich and famous.
Mm.
The secret of the rich and famous. In 2008, um, President Obama lifted the ban of studies because there are a lot who really needs the stem cells for cell repair, a lot of diseases.
Mm.
That's why he lifted the
Okay.
ban of studies.
If I may,
Before, nobody knows about it.
yes,
It's banned.
yes. If I
Mm.
may, Doris, just for the sake of our viewers, let me tell them a little bit about stem cells. No? There are, from the perspective of science, several kinds. Like you have your embryonic stem cells,
Yes.
ESCs, that come from
Mm-mm.
embryos, but those have some ethical issues, so most people stay clear of them. And then you have your adult somatic stem cells, you're found
Mm-mm.
in bone marrow and fat. They're used for the treatment of food disorders and joint regeneration. You also have induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, which are engineered from adult cells and behave like embryonic stem cells so that they're not so ethically ambiguous. And you have your perinatal stem cells found in umbilical cord or blood and amniotic fluid. I suppose that's what Cleopatra was into. Now, speaking from my own experiences, my stepfather, when he was still alive, tried to help his son Todd, who suffered terribly from leukemia. This is
Mm-mm.
cancer of the blood. And so
Mm-mm.
Todd managed to survive through three attacks of leukemia. Usually, most leukemia patients go through two and they don't make it past that. But because they harvested stem cells from his elder brother's bone marrow. So twice the elder brother had to donate his bone marrow. They managed to cause the cancer to regress or to extend his life. So it was only after the third and final bout that he had with leukemia that he said enough is enough, and he was allowed to uh, pass away so that he didn't have to endure the pain anymore. But
Mhm.
having said that, I'm glad you also brought up the fact that during the Obama administration, stem cell therapy was once again, or research into stem cells
Mhm.
was once again permitted, because while controversy was there before, something that Singapore uh, was very concerned about, obviously there have been many success stories already, and clearly one of them is your very own daughter. And the fact that you're not taking maintenance medicine at your age is astonishing. I mean,
Yeah.
wow.
Mhm.
You're 62. I mean,
Yes,
w- we're the
very
same.
strong. I can give my daughter a piggyback ride. I can push your SUV
Oh
alone.
my gosh. Yeah, and I'm seeing that you're also giving talks on a regular basis,
Yes,
in many places about the stem cells and the products that you are representing. So why Reweigh? Because I see all the time in your post, the join me in the Reweigh way. You know, why Reweigh? What made you choose Reweigh?
because it is 17 years in the market since 2008.
Okay.
We started with only 38 bottles in humble beginnings, and
Hmm.
it is a Singaporean owned company, the Reway
Oh,
International.
okay.
So it
Hmm.
is guaranteed also. And then as it grew, now we are 17 years along with our very first or only product, the Purchase Placenta. This is the
Okay.
only product. No, you don't have to open another bottle for the brain, another bottle for the heart, the
Hmm.
kidney, just one for everything from
Wow.
brain to toes. So now, going back when President Obama, so many studies, and it's good that Weiwei International, the only owner is Mr. Lim Boon Hong.
Hmm.
It's not a corporate. It's one owner only, the CEO, Mr.
Okay.
Lim Boon Hong. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, a very generous CEO, and because he really wanted us to benefit in health and to transform our lives. So
Hmm.
stem cells, you were saying about like ethical issues. The
Hmm.
best stem cells is coming from a 4-week-old fetus,
Right.
the
Yes.
human.
Hmm.
But there are a lot of countries, Europe,
Hmm.
Western, China, they agree with abortion. It's legal.
Hmm.
So they have this human, the fetus cells injection,
Hmm.
stem cell injection using the human cells. The very best is the 4-week-old fetus. That's why, again, for ethical issues, there's a lot of companies who are discovering a product like this one.
Hmm.
And I am very proud, Dino, that this is the very first product out in the market in oral live stem cell therapy. That's
Okay.
why it is 17 years already.
Just
And
to
yeah,
clarify, Doris, no,
mm-mm,
Reweigh and Pertier in particular are not using embryonic stem cells, right?
it's embryonic,
Oh, okay. But it doesn't come from human fetuses.
not from the fetus.
Okay, so okay. So they come from mammals,
Yes,
or animals like deer, for example.
the deer, the cleanest deer.
Mm, mm. Because they're found in the forest and therefore they live very organic lives, and they're very clean because they're not exposed to urban toxicity or
Yes.
chemicals. Hmm.
Mm-mm.
So how does Viway manage say the population of the deer so that even as you harvest stem cells from deer,
The deer.
uh, you still manage to keep the deer population well
Yeah.
stocked.
Yeah. We have a large product. Everything, again, WeWay International is a research and development company. The
Okay.
formula, the formula from the beginning to end stage is manufactured under Alpha Laboratories in New Zealand. So everything is clean. We are
Oh,
guaranteed it's
New
clean.
Zealand.
And
Oh,
the large production of the deer is in New Zealand.
mm,
And the other ingredients, like
okay.
the ginseng, it is planted in the volcanic soil in New Zealand.
Doris, here's just a quick question. Is the product approved by the FDA already?
Yes,
Clinical studies have been done.
yes,
Okay.
yes, it is approved by FDA. Like, for example, here in the Philippines, we cannot operate a single branch if
Mm-mm.
it is not approved. We have
Oh,
6 branches, here in the Philippines. So our
okay.
main is in uh, the complex of MOA. We have in Davao, Cebu, Iloilo, Pampanga, and Cagayan de Oro, going to 10 branches. That's how fast we are growing. That is only, I am sharing with you, Philippines, 6 branches. In
Oh,
Malaysia, we have 16 branches. In Taiwan, we have 14
mm,
branches. We have 2 in Indonesia, 2 in Thailand. We have in Myanmar, Cambodia, Vietnam, 6 in Japan. Japan is very strict when it comes to health
mm,
matters.
mm,
But we have 6 branches in Japan and we have our own building, own. We are not renting.
mm,
That is
mm.
how stable the company is.
Uh,
We have our own building, of course, in Singapore,
mm,
own building in Taiwan, Taipei, Malaysia, in Indonesia, Hong Kong, and Japan. Soon we shall be surprised. We shall be having our own building here in the Philippines
mm.
soon.
Uh,
And we have uh, Europe. In Europe, we have branches in Czech Republic, Poland, Hungary. Soon in other nearby uh, countries in Europe. And then this year, soon in America, we shall start to branch out in New York. Next is perhaps LA, Florida, and North Carolina. That was announced already last 2022 in the top
mm.
leaders meeting in Dubai. What what our CEO announces, it will happen. It will happen. It happens.
Okay. A question I'd like to ask because I'm personally very curious, no? Doris, ganito. Um, since Bertier is orally administered and not intravenously administered the way most stem cell therapies would be, of course, there's the issue of expense, no? Because if you do that through
Mm-mm.
IV, that's way more expensive. Um, don't the stomach enzymes, meaning bile and the other chemicals, damage the stem cells, or how do they survive to be absorbed by the body?
Okay. Uh, because the cells, it will really repair the old and damaged cells. So why coming from the deer? Again, for ethical issues. The
Mm-mm.
first injectables, which is very expensive, where our rich and famous celebrities goes to Germany, Switzerland, China. It costs 1 million per session. If the doctor says you need 5 sessions, and then
That's
that is
five
five
million.
million.
My
Okay.
goodness.
Here in the Philippines, we
Mm,
have the stem cell injection already.
mm,
Let's say your friend, Dr. Dino. Oh, Dino, since you're a good friend of mine, I will give you half the price. Let's say half a million. But the doctor will say, Dino, you need 10 sessions. Then how much is that? Right?
Right.
That's why there's the discovery of this kind of affordable stem cells. Coming
Mm.
from the deer again, before the injection is coming from the Black Mountain sheep. It is
Oh.
banned already because they slaughter the animal. It is
Oh.
banned because there are allergens. Some patients got allergies and died.
Okay.
So it is banned, the Black Mountain sheep. We can get stem cells from any mammal. Let's say the carabao, the horse, the tiger. They are mammals, but they are not clean. That's why we are getting from the deer,
Mm.
which is
Okay.
very very clean.
Mm-mm.
The product named Pure Tear, meaning purity of the deer. Now,
Okay.
we
So.
humans are stem cells, right, Dino? We are stem cells. We came from the union of the eggs and sperm of our parents.
Mm.
Then came out a single stem cell. It duplicated and then into blastocyst. It formed into different organs. Then we became a baby and then now we are adults.
Mm.
Now, why mammals? Why? Why from the mammals that we are having here? Because the mammals have the same process like us coming from the union of the egg and sperm of their
Mm.
parents. That's
Okay.
why in the ancient times, Dr. Paracelsus says, like cures like cures like. So the human cells and the mammal cells, we call it biocompatible. Match na match sila. Biocompatible compatible. Now,
Mm.
we have nothing against about the herbal products. The herbal products are very good as natural nutrition, but they cannot repair the cells. They can stimulate the cells. They can make it active. That's why there are also testimonies, great testimonies taking the herbal products. But once the patient stops taking it, because it's the what we call natural maintenance, the herbal products. Rather than taking the drugs as maintenance, you might as well take the herbal products as maintenance rather than the drugs that will destroy the organs. But once the patient stops, that's why it is what we call also repeat order thing. It may recur because it did not repair the cells. So why does the herbal products cannot be called as stem cells? Because they have male cells, the plant have male cells, have female cells, but it is not the same process as the human cells. We call it asexual. The the cells of can they can have an offspring alone. There is no sexual reproduction of the male and cells and female cells of the plants. None. We
Mm.
call it asexual. So
Mm.
it doesn't match our cells.
Mm.
It
Mm.
is not compatible, but it will help us in our. It is good nutrition. It will help in the health as well. So
Yeah.
that is the totally different
Okay.
difference of the herbal and the stem cells right now.
Okay.
Stem cells
Um.
will repair the cells
Okay.
that cannot be done by plants.
Doris, if I may go back to my
Yes.
earlier question, um, how does a Pertier overcome the acidity or the enzymes in the stomach so that
Ah,
it can be
we have
absorbed?
yes. We have six great modern technologies. First, again, the mother doe will deliver her baby. There's no killing of animals, no killing of deer because we have a lot of Muslim consumers, no killing of animals. Harvesting the cells at once, it goes to a supercritical extraction technology, meaning it is critically extracted to be clean and live, and then it goes to the freeze drying technology so that the cells is bioactively active for 3 to 4 years.
Mhm.
And then you will be wondering how, Doris, you're saying there's live capsules. there's live cells in the capsule. How come? How? So Alpha Laboratory will encapsulate, sucking out the oxygen and then inserting nitrogen so that microorganism will not come in, because once there's bacteria, the cells will die. So the
Right.
nitrogen will protect
Yeah.
the coming in of the microorganisms.
That
Now
makes
it's
sense.
already
Yeah.
encapsulated.
Oh.
This is There's the fourth technology that's very nice, Dino.
Mm.
We shall have it enteric coated.
Mm.
Enteric coated meaning once we take the Purchia placenta, passes to our esophagus down to our acidic environment, the stomach,
Mm.
it will not be dissolved. It will go straight to our alkaline environment, the intestines. So we
Mm.
get 80% potency of the
Okay.
fourth year.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask a question because earlier you mentioned that your own daughter was one of the beneficiaries of
Yes.
this kind of therapy. What was she like before she took it, and what is she like now after
Mhm.
how many years of taking it?
Yeah. Before, uh, she just take her food, she swallows it
Yeah.
without chewing. During the
Oh.
therapy, we noticed she already chews her food. So you can see very well that the stem cells is working in her brain cells,
Mm,
because
mm.
special children have brain deficiency. That's
Okay.
why that's that's why they don't function normal like us. So
Mm,
one thing, the very best thing that has been addressed to my daughter is, I call it the wild tantrums. She can kick you hard, pull your hair, she can hurt without any warning, bite
mm,
you without any warning. That is what I call her wild tantrums.
mm.
Now she doesn't hurt anymore. If she doesn't want you beside her, she will just pat you. She doesn't hurt anymore. Just
Okay.
like now, I am here out in my friend's house working on something. I
Mm.
cannot go out of the house without any caregiver
Right.
attending to her,
Yeah.
because the caregiver will not stay with us if she still hurts anyone. If she still can hurt, but
Right.
now I can leave our kasambahay or caregiver with her.
Mm. So, if I may summarize, no, what the treatment has appeared to have done for your daughter is number one, help
Mm-mm,
to enhance the growth of neurons and synaptic connections inside her brain so that
mm-mm.
she's able to actually chew her food now. That's
Chew.
number one.
You can chew now. Yeah.
That's number one. Number two, it's helped her control her mood swings so that
Yes.
she is less prone to hurting others and herself. In other words,
Mm-hmm.
she's more in control of her own emotions, which speaks to addressing, say, some of the psychological imbalances, like because the
Mm-hmm.
brain is maintained by hormones and chemical balances. So uh, somehow, what she's been taking has allowed her brain to create its own balance so that she is
Mm-hmm.
less prone to an outburst of intense emotions. Am I
Yeah.
right so far?
Yes, yes. And the brain is very important.
Mm.
The Pucci placenta will address from all over the body.
Okay.
Once we take it, the embryonic cells, as you have mentioned, it will find the most damaged part in our body. For
Mm.
example, Dino, you have a friend. He says heart condition,
Mm.
but he doesn't know the lungs is the most damaged. The Pucci placenta will repair first the lungs
Mm.
before the heart. The patient doesn't know she has an upcoming Alzheimer's, dementia. The butcher will also repair the brain, everything. So
Mm.
now Stem cells are very known popular as what they say we shall look young, beautiful, and handsome. That is only a bonus. That
Right.
is only a bonus,
Okay.
Dino,
Mm-mm.
because once our cells are renewed already,
Mm-mm.
our skin will really, it's really reverse aging for 5 to 10 years younger or more.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
It will really reverse aging. Like now, if we can meet face to face, you will see the difference. You will see
Uh,
the difference.
Let me say, Doris, right now, I'm seeing already the difference because I remember you from our Burbank days.
Mhm.
And that was a long time ago. But from my perspective, very little has changed about you. But one thing I'd like to touch on, because you're also taking the the drugs, right? The Pertier, you're also taking it.
Yeah.
What were you like before you took it, and what have been the benefits to you personally after taking it for a while?
I'm sorry, what
Uh,
has
what were you like before you began to take it? And
me?
yeah, yes,
Yeah.
meaning
Okay.
your own testimony. I mean,
Yeah, my own testimony. Thank God I have no maintenance medicines. I'm
mhm,
62. Um, i- yes, it has repaired. I have seen it because they say I really have gone into the reverse aging process. That
okay.
that's most of everyone tells me. The skin, the skin, and then I'm still energized because I remember I felt a little bit weaker at the age of 55, 56.
Mm.
Because before Dino, I can say myself I am a superwoman because I'm very strong.
Yeah,
But
I know.
I felt, yeah, I'm very strong. At the age of 55, 56, it seems it decreases, my energy
Mhm,
decreased. But when I took Pucha Placenta, it came back, the
mhm,
energy I had before. That's why stem cells gives you the quality of life back. Meaning, for example, the elder lolo, the grandfather, using a cane, or perhaps he should be assisted very well by his caregiver. If they take the butcher, the oral stem cells, later on they might not be using the cane anymore. They
mhm,
may
mhm.
be more have energy. It will give you the quality of life back really.
Yeah.
And but one thing, we have different body chemistries.
Mhm,
So
mhm.
we have different reaction when the time it will help us. But definitely it's a big help in all diseases. All. This is all diseases,
Uh,
even rare.
if I may, Doris, just for our viewers' benefit, I will add a little bit, no? Like, for example, uh, stem cells are known to originally not have a form until in a child, for example, in a fetus, blastosis occurs and the cells start to divide. That's when the stem cells group themselves to later on become a heart or a
Yes.
lung or a
Mm,
muscle or hair
mm,
or ears, no, or eyes. So we're saying that the early benefits of stem cells were that when used for medical purposes, they found what was broken in the body, and that's what they would become to repair that part that's broken. So, as
mhm.
you said, um, it helps people through their lungs often first, no? 'Cause so for
This,
people
that
who
is the most damaged part. It will go first there.
it'll go first there. So for people
Mm-mm.
who do a lot of smoking and maybe they're already suffering from early stage emphysema, it means it gives hope, the
Yeah,
chance for healing.
yeah. Definitely, I'm very confident. Any disease that you may think of, Dino, any.
Uh,
Because I have a rare eye disease, eyes, diabetes.
Yes.
uh, I have been sharing this for almost, I think, 2 to 3 years already.
Mm.
Then when his intestines need surgery, that's the only time he took two sets of Porchi placenta because the eyes no vision and he looks like a monster. The doctor in the
Okay.
medical city says you need 1.5 million for the eye surgery,
Wow.
but they considered the portier first.
Mm.
Let's try.
Mm.
You know what? He's already handsome. The eyes is normal with vision. He was able to save the 1.5 million for the surgery.
Mm.
Yeah.
So,
The intestines was destroyed because of taking steroids for so many years.
oh yes, yeah, there is that
Yeah.
side effect from steroid
Yes. The
therapy.
side effect.
Mm. Doris, are there any known or long-term side effects from stem cell treatment, or
There's
is it safe? You know,
There's, yes, very safe. There's no side effect, no overdose. If you want to take Adeno 30 capsules, it's okay. It's very natural. Yes. Let's say 30 capsules a day. It's very
wow.
natural, no overdose because all the ingredients are natural. Again, for all diseases, even for rare diseases and for all ages, meaning the babies may take it, the pregnant women may take it. It's very safe because the babies and pregnant can take it as well.
Okay, Doris, just to help me and our viewers understand, no? For example, there is no overdose with vitamin C if only because the human body excretes it in the form of urine. In other words, iniihi lang kasi natin yung vitamin C,
Yes.
so we can take it. But for example, with other vitamins such as or minerals like potassium, there is such a thing as potassium toxicity. When you have too much of it, that's dangerous for your heart. So, how does the human body deal with um, continuous taking or high dosage ingestion of stem cell tablets? Uh, does the human body excrete it as well, or does it accumulate? But how does it manage the dosage?
Mm. Since the Puchi placenta has 14 natural ingredients with two live stem cells, two kinds of live cells inside the capsule,
Okay.
it is an integrated formula for each capsule that will benefit that will benefit our the health condition or the body, the health.
Okay.
So there's no side effect really or overdose because there are already testimonials because the explanation here, if we take more of the cells, the more cells will repair at once. That's
Mm.
the logic there. For example, you have a project, you have to finish renovating the whole building in 1 month, but
Mm.
you placed like five construction workers only. So you will not be able to deliver to your client, right?
Mm.
Because you only uh, had five construction workers only. Whereas, like the cells, if you took only a few a day and then the health condition is worse, you need more so that more cells will repair at once,
Okay.
especially in critical condition. We
Mm.
really we really say that we insist more capsules a day.
Okay, but there is a minimum. In other words, on a daily basis for people who are relatively healthy, such as yourself, uh, there is like what, once a day or twice a day. How much do you take?
This is a seven bottle, one kind of bottle only. One
Okay,
kind, seven of this with 60 cups inside for
okay,
the 6 month therapy. So the regular dosage, what you call recommended dosage is In the first month, 4 capsules, 2 in the morning as you wake up and 2 in the evening as you go to bed.
Mm.
Okay. And then the second month to 6 month, two, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. So this is exactly good for 6 months.
Mm.
From the
And
first bottle alone, it
okay.
will repair already. But then
Um,
again, I would like to share with everyone, it depends on our body chemistry, the
right.
effect.
Mm.
Because they might be expecting like it's some kind of miracle or magic. But
Mm.
with my kidney dialysis patients, 3 times dialysis, my experience, once they take the Pachuca placenta, they will really call you, Ma'am, I had a very good pee. Ang ganda ng pag-ihi ko. Tuwang-tuwa
Okay.
sila.
Mm.
Tuwang-tuwa sila. Yan yung experience ko sa mga dialysis patients.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Doris, is there a website that, say, our viewers can visit to look at the statistical studies and the other testimonials? Because, for example, what if somebody suffered third degree burns? That
Oh, we
means
have we have of course
there's,
our website is very nice, and what we call high end website is very good and very informative. I will
okay,
share it with you, Tino.
all right.
Mm.
So,
And you can share it with everyone.
w-
Official website of the portier and official website of the company where you will see all the countries that we have.
okay. And presumably the studies that were done, so it points
Mm-mm.
to sources
Testimonial.
and testimonials.
They can
Okay.
connect with me, with you. I will be the one to present everything and share the testimonies because the testimonies cannot be out publicly. The
Oh,
FDA will not allow.
oh, okay. So they have rules
There's no
governing.
word as cure
Mm, mm, mm.
because until now we are in the medical, studying breakthrough. There's no such word as cure 100. Even the doctors, that's why maintenance medicines, it is a trial and error, or maybe there are a lot of testimonies clear of breast cancer, but the FDA will not allow to share it publicly.
Yeah. Because there are protocols to follow. Like for example, double-blind tests that are required. So
Mm-mm.
a group of people will be taking placebos, and another group of people will be taking the real thing, and then to see the effects on both
Mm.
control groups, so that a conclusion can be reached. Um, so I understand why, say, for example, the FDA refused to uh, publicly endorse or permit the listing down of, say, testimonials.
Mm-mm.
Nonetheless, if people want to know more about this so that they can satisfy their curiosity and perhaps would like to try it, where should they go? How do they reach you?
um they can reach me through my handphone, my social media pages, my Facebook page, WhatsApp, Viber, any social media form, my email. I will, even though they are in different countries, I reply right away. Yeah, I'm always awake, to share hope and solutions. That's the advocacy. I have, as I've mentioned, I have been doing this for almost 8 years without not anything. It's all about the Purchase Placenta Reway International for almost 8 years.
Oh, yeah, just really curious. What's your blood pressure like at 62?
I'm sorry, what's
What is your blood pressure like at 62?
uh,
Your blood pressure.
blood?
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Yeah.
Okay. No, very normal. 110/80. Very normal always. Yeah. And
Okay.
my colleagues, the young artists with me, high blood. They are so young.
Okay. All right.
They have been kidding with having this joke, Mom, you are an alien. Because my blood pressure is normal.
Hmm. So,
Mhm.
Doris, I do know that you have regular talks that you schedule so people can understand more about Pertier and stem cell therapy. Do you have one that's coming soon so that we can announce it here?
Ah, this coming Saturday, we have an event every Saturdays in Quezon City Memorial Circle in Aristocrat. You connect with me, so it is an RSVP.
Mm.
Connect with me, Dino, and I will have them in my guest list.
Okay, so all they have to do is connect with you, say, through FB or LinkedIn, and
My
then
number, my handphone number.
okay, and then register
By
themselves
the
so
way,
that.
yeah,
Mhm.
one thing I would like to add, I'm very confident of the Porcher oral stem cells because again, we are 17 years and first in the market worldwide. We have two live cells coming from the placenta and the tip of the antler, the the cells. The
Okay.
cells, these two live cells, once it is combined in a clinical lab, can replicate a baby deer. That is the pinnacle of regeneration.
Mm.
And with these two live cells, we have the end ginseng, which is planted in the volcanic soil in New Zealand. It is 150 times stronger than all varieties of the ginseng,
Mm.
this end ginseng. And another one is the axertone, the lingzi mushroom, the
Mm.
very famous lingzi mushroom. We have that. And the other one is the white strawberry, the nucleoclavem. Have you seen a white strawberry?
No, no, no. I
It
didn't know
it
they
it is
they were white.
harvested. It is harvested in Waji Island in Japan. So
Oh,
I would like to highlight on these five powerful ingredients because it is patented in Riway International. So no
okay.
one can replicate Forte
Mm.
Placenta ever. And
Okay.
the company, our CEO, Mr. Lim Bunho, keeps on enhancing the product to give us the best.
Wow. All
Yeah,
right.
because this is the seventh edition already.
Mm.
Seventh edition.
Okay.
Mm.
So, Doris, I do know that apart from being a consultant for Reway, you're also very much an artist, a sculptor. And I'd like to give you an opportunity now to announce to our viewers, should they want to go to the exhibit and look at the animated feature that you're putting together. Tell us more about this upcoming exhibit
Okay,
where women artists
yeah.
are featured.
Right now, we're focused on our new group, the Folklore Filipinas. Our founder is our good friend Leah Lim. So we have a small group right now and growing. Soon, our animation grant from CCP will be launching soon. Maybe this year. We shall let you know when. And then currently, we have an exhibit this March 7th in Tacloban Leyte Museum in a university in Tacloban. We have ongoing exhibit in the San Pablo Malaking Tubig Batangas Museum. It's ongoing.
Okay,
Soon we
so
shall have in Quezon City. We are always invited, and these are the two exhibits we have now: the
so
Batangas Museum and the Tacloban Leyte Museum.
mhm.
Soon in Davao also, Iloilo.
Wow.
It's traveling, Dino. It's traveling.
So
So,
for our viewers, if you want to meet Doris in person, so you'll see how youthful she is, you can meet her in any of her talks in Aristocrat or
yes, this coming Saturday,
this coming Saturday.
you connect with me and be my guest.
Yeah. Or you can see her in one of the exhibits for the artworks and the animated feature that they're putting together. So, in behalf of my fellow hosts on the Leader's Edge, Doris, thank you so much for giving us your time and explaining to us about stem cell therapy. We hope we can invite you again in the future, maybe this time to talk about you as a sculptor. Yeah. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you've seen today, do leave a comment. Let us know. Stem cell therapy is very promising, very interesting. And if there are skeptics out there, we'd like for you to leave a message or to attend the seminar that Doris provides. So all your questions can be answered. And just to let you know, our next guest for our episode number 6 is none other than second time guest Fabi Carino, who will be talking about mental wellness, and she will be hosted by Conrad Ferreras. And so, ladies and gentlemen, always remember that whether it's in stem cell therapy or anything else in life, learning is a never ending journey with limitless vistas. I'm your host, Dino Santos, saying good day.